Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Open Google Pay, confirm your phone number and KYC status, and add a payment method if needed. Once done, navigate to the Invite or Rewards area where referral codes are accepted. Enter the referral code immediately. This locks eligibility for sign-up rewards. You do this early because missing a step can invalidate offers, so check your account verification and visible reward notice before proceeding to the next slide. You now enter the referral code carefully, making sure to paste it exactly without leading or trailing spaces, because the app matches codes literally. After you apply it, read the on-screen bonus details so you know required qualifying actions and time limits. Then perform the trigger action, often sending a small payment, adding a bank, or paying a bill, because the reward only credits after that verification. Once the qualifying activity clears, watch for reward notification in Rewards or Activity. You finish by confirming the reward posted in Rewards or Transaction History. This may take minutes to a few days depending on verification. If the bonus doesn't appear, make sure you met the exact eligibility steps, the code wasn't expired, and the activity cleared within the offer window. If problems persist, take screenshots of the code entry, eligibility notice, and transactions. Then contact Google Pay support. This speeds resolution and helps them apply manual credit when automated checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.